ZAS, the Slovenian Asphalt Pavement Association, was founded more than 25 years ago and currently represents more than 100 individual members, not only from Slovenia, but also from 7 other countries. Nowadays, when it is necessary to take measures to protect our planet and when the prices of energy products are skyrocketing, ZAS, the Slovenian Asphalt Pavement Association, together with the Slovenian and European asphalt industry, is making every effort possible to introduce innovations which can protect the environment while optimizing the economy of our sector. With the concept of Asphalt 4.0, we can focus on 3 pillars: digital technologies, smart management systems, and customer experience. The question arises whether this is enough, as digitization alone will not solve the current challenges for our society. This is the reason why, for us, the concept of Asphalt 4.0 must be understood beyond digitalization, and therefore we propose the motto Asphalt 4.0 for sustainable roadways. Unfortunately, asphalt paving is still being carried out nowadays as it was decades ago. And in addition to that, workers are exposed to increasing ambient temperatures due to climate changes. The demand for bitumens, which require high production and laying temperatures, simply worsens the problem. And for the cherry on the top, the war in Eastern Europe showed our energy vulnerability. The prices of energy and raw materials have increased enormously. Alternative solutions such as porous and warm mix asphalt can improve work conditions while reducing energy demand and environmental impact. However, we are still using it to a very limited extent. Why? Perhaps the reason lies in the cost assessment, which does not consider that, with the use of digital technologies, they are quickly repaired. Therefore, the question is, what can the industry do to respond to the described challenges? In Slovenia, we decided to take the following steps. Number 1. Lowering the hot production temperature by 10 degrees Celsius for all types of asphalt mixtures, while optimizing transport distances. Number 2. Creating conditions for the use of warm and porous asphalts. In addition to the already adopted technical specifications, we encourage clients to use them more. Number 3. Increasing the reuse of reclaimed asphalt into new asphalt. Number 4. Ensuring the mandatory use of protective equipment for workers, especially in the summer months. Number 5. Preparing proposals to stimulate the introduction of proposed innovations. Number 6. Involve digital solutions in all mentioned actions as much as possible. What do we think stakeholders in the asphalt industry should do? And what do we expect from the Asphalt 4.0 conference? In the future, it is expected to finally start working more and more digitally and using newly available materials, machines, equipment, and technological procedures. There was a lot of innovation done, and we do not use it. We need changes in the European standardization system because right now, CEN is more a barrier than a solution. EAPA has been doing a good job in describing and giving visibility to digital technologies, but in the future it should also support administrations by preparing samples of public procurement, which can incent the immediate use of all available digital methods and techniques. Administrations and road owners have to include all the latest technologies in the public procurement. Industry stakeholders must adapt their production systems and get ready for the deployment of such technologies whenever required. All with the goal of implementing Asphalt 4.0 for sustainable roadways.